I love to hand water my garden. Now I know that this is not for everyone. Whether you use irrigation to water your garden or hand water like myself, the reasoning behind why I love to hand water my garden is personal. I love to hand water my garden for the physical aspect of taking care of my garden. As I watch my plants grow, and this is the time that I like to look at all of the aspects of the plant, how it grows, what it needs, study the plant. This is my time with my garden. Because I container garden, this is very feasible. But of course, if your garden is huge, I have a small garden, it's not that bad. It is a lot of work to haul the water in and out of my trailer, as you can see, and carry it to my garden.